Guys, is it really true that if your phone is full of dust, you can remove it this way? But this girl doesn't believe the video at all, so she brings her old iPhone to test it. She attaches a hose to a glue machine, fills the phone's jack with glue, and lets it dry for several minutes before checking the dirt will comes out or not. On one side, there's mom. On the other, there's money. Who would you choose? Those who choose mom, like me, should like the video and subscribe to the channel. After liking and subscribing, click remix. Use this sound, and some magic will happen. The dirt from the phone actually comes out.